Today I'm going to show you how to make a picture of an insect on this aluminum. Here I have a couple student examples for you. As you can see, we're not only featuring the insect but also a background behind the insect. You can choose any insect you like. To start, you're going to make a drawing of your insect on this 5" by 5" piece of paper, just using pencil. I have some idea sheets for you to look at, featuring a variety of bugs here. Once you decide on a bug or want to try drawing it just from memory or on your own, you're going to put it onto this 5" by 5" piece of white drawing paper, lightweight drawing paper, just computer paper with pencil. Remember, I want you to feature an insect as well as the background behind the insect. You could do more than one insect, that's up to you, but the background should be included. You could put leaves behind your insect, maybe it's on a flower or flying above something, but we need something back behind there. Once your drawing is complete, you're ready to start to put it onto the aluminum. You'll need a piece of cardboard. This is just from a cardboard box, and a 6" by 6" piece of 36 gauge aluminum. You can find this at most craft stores or art stores and online. It comes in rolls, and I cut it to 6" by 6" to fit on our 5" by 5" piece of cardboard. First, I need to get this aluminum onto the cardboard. So I'll place my aluminum down, and I will center my cardboard, making sure that I have an aluminum edge around each side. Then I'm going to fold up the aluminum while holding it in place so it doesn't slide and you have nothing on this edge. Fold it up so it's standing up straight, and then press it down. You might want to flip all the way to the other side so you don't lose any of this aluminum here. Again, fold it up so it's standing straight, and then press it down. You have to do these other two edges as well. Turn it, hold it still. Now where it's thicker here, I like to pinch those areas, make sure it's standing up straight, and then fold it down. And the last one, again, pinch the corners where it's a bit thicker, stand it up straight, and press it so it's totally folded down. Your cardboard is going to stay inside the aluminum. You're never going to unwrap this. You're going to leave it just like this. Flip it over so you see your smooth aluminum side. Take your drawing and you're going to tape it on, just using some masking tape. It's okay if you tape over your drawing. It should show through the masking tape, but just 2 pieces is fine. One at the top and one at the bottom. So that it won't move around while you're carving into your aluminum. Now we're just going to use a ballpoint pen. The ballpoint pen is strong enough to carve into the aluminum. It'll also show me where I've already traced, because those areas where I've traced will turn out blue. So now I'm going to press and trace my drawing. You might end up ripping the paper, and that's okay. Areas that you want carved in completely, like this area I shaded in with my pencil, I can carve it in just by pressing it in the same way I shaded it in with my pencil. Make sure you get all your details and your background. Do not remove the paper until you have finished tracing the entire work of art. Now, once you've finished tracing everything, that's when you can remove it. Don't try to remove it and then put it back down, because you might not line it up at the exact same point. If you just want to peek, you can just lift it up like that. You can see where I've started to carve into the aluminum. Now I've already started this. I carved it already. Took my paper off, and as you can see, I've already started to add some color to my insect. To add color, I'm going to use the colored Sharpies. They will not smear once the ink dries. They're also good for blending colors. I've already colored in my bug. I'm starting to add color to my leaf. I wanted my bug, though, to stand out on my leaf. Both I was going to make green, so I had to figure out how to make them different types of green. I used the light green and the darker green on the insect, coloring on the outside of each little body part here, and then coloring in with the light green, letting them kind of mix and blend. And the brown dots on the leaf, I wanted a different type of green, so I tried to make a bluer green, and I colored kind of the outside area of my leaf with blue, and inside here where the veins of the leaf would be, and I added blue in here. And then when I went back with my green marker, I let those colors blend together like I would do with paint to get more of a blue-green paint. I let the colors kind of overlap and blend so that I end up with a different green, and my insect will stand out and not disappear into that green background. Craftsmanship is important. You worked hard on your illustration of your insect, carving it into the aluminum. I expect that the coloring you add will be carefully done, thinking about the details of your insect, the legs, and areas like that. And then once you finish your insect completely and it's all colored in, I have a few different color choices for frames. You can just add a heavy layer of glue stick to the back of your cardboard, center it on your frame paper, press it down, and sign your name at the bottom.